Hello friends, welcome to GS Hub. Now in this video we are going to learn about all the national parks of India. See, we can expect minimum 1 to 2 questions from national parks in all the competitive exams. That is the reason I plan to launch a series of videos on national parks. And this video is first of that series. See, it's a very easy topic and cost benefit ratio is very high. Please don't leave this topic. First thing, what type of questions can we expect from national parks in exams? See, whenever you come across any national park, you have to remember 4 important points. First one is state in which it is located, and second one is mountains or hills in which it is, and third one is river which flows through that particular national park, and fourth one is some important protected species. So those 4 points are nothing but state, mountains or hills, rivers, protected species. For example, see, there is a famous national park in India with the name Silent Valley. Silent Valley National Park. So we'll apply all these 4 points: state, mountains, rivers and protected species with respect to Silent Valley National Park. Where is Silent Valley National Park? It is in Kerala, in the state of Kerala. In which mountains Silent Valley National Park is located? Nilagiri Hills, Nilagiri Mountains. And what are the famous rivers which traverses through Silent Valley National Park? Bharatapuja and Kuntipuja rivers. And which famous species are protected in Silent Valley National Park? Lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque. That is how you have to remember, you have to know these 4 points for all the national parks. I'll cover not only these 4 important points, I'll cover almost all the important points related to national parks in the subsequent videos. Chalo, let's continue. Next, see, national parks in India, they come under IUCN Category 2 protected areas. Next, who notifies national parks in India? It's not Government of India, it is a respective state government. Remember, national parks in India are notified by the respective state governments. See, no human activity is permitted. No human activity is allowed inside a national park without the permission of Chief Wildlife Warden of that state. Remember, Chief Wildlife Warden generally would be an Indian Forest Service officer. Next, see, all these national parks are part of protected areas. That is the reason national parks in India are created as a part of the famous Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Remember this year, 1972. See, there are nearly 104 national parks in India which cover 1.23% of the total geographical region of India. All the national parks in India cover 1.23% of the total geographical region of India. See, the first national park in India is Jim Corbett National Park. Remember, the first national park in India is Jim Corbett National Park in the state of Uttarakhand. See, this particular national park is located in Terai grasslands to the south of Shivalik Mountains. And the old name of Jim Corbett National Park is Haley National Park. See, it has been created in the year 1936 and it's famous for tigers. Next, see, with respect to area, the largest national park in India is Hemis National Park. Remember, the largest national park in India is Hemis National Park in the newly created Union Territory of Ladakh. It's not in Jammu and Kashmir, remember, it's in Ladakh. See, this Hemis National Park is completely covered with Trans-Himalayas. Remember, Trans-Himalayas are snow-bounded throughout the year. Because there we have snow-boundedness, this particular national park is suitable for the habitation of snow leopards. See, Jim Corbett National Park is famous for tigers, Bengal tigers, whereas Hemis National Park is famous for snow leopards. So this particular snow habitation is suitable for snow leopards. See, with respect to area, the smallest national park in India is South Button Island National Park. Remember, there are three islands with the name Button in Andaman Nicobar group: North Button Island, Middle Button Island, South Button Island. See, out of those three Button Islands, there is one national park in South Button Island, which is the smallest national park. See, approximately its area is 400 square kilometers. Sorry, 400 square meters. No need to remember this number. See, the state with more number of national parks, the state which has more number of national parks is Madhya Pradesh. Remember, Madhya Pradesh. Nearly there are more than 10 national parks in Madhya Pradesh. My question is, why Madhya Pradesh has more number of national parks? Think of it. Think about it. See, point is, Madhya Pradesh is second largest state in India with respect to area, and the major landforms in Madhya Pradesh are nothing but mountains, hills and plateaus. See, because we have mountains, hills in Madhya Pradesh, we receive high rainfall in Madhya Pradesh. Remember, wherever we have hills and mountains, there we receive more rainfall. And wherever we have more rainfall, there we have dense forest. And wherever we have dense forest, there we have rich biodiversity. And wherever we have rich biodiversity, there we have more species. And wherever we have more species, there we have more protected regions, nothing but more national parks. That is the reason Madhya Pradesh has more number of national parks. Remember it. See, the only state without any national park in India is Punjab. Remember, we do not have any. See, remember all the national parks in India region wise. So, firstly, we'll discuss the national parks in Northeast India. See, in Arunachal Pradesh, there are two national parks, Namdapha and Mauling. Remember, Namdapha is famous for flying squirrels. We'll be completely discussing about all the national parks, rivers which flows through that national park, mountains, important species. We'll discuss about all the national parks in detailed manner in the subsequent classes. In this video, for the time being, just broadly remember the national parks with respect to their states. That's more than enough. And in Nagaland, we have Intonki National Park. In Manipur, we have two national parks, Kibul Lamjawo and Sirohi National Park. Remember, Kibul Lamjawo National Park is the only floating national park in the world. Not in India, not only in India, but also in the world. See, Kibul Lamjawo National Park is part of Loktak Lake. As we know, Loktak Lake is the second largest lake of India. Especially, it is the largest lake of Northeast India in the state of Manipur. The southern part of Loktak Lake is famous for organic matter, floating organic matter with the name fumates. That is the reason that this particular southern Loktak Lake has been declared as a national park with the name Kibul Lamjawo. In Mizoram, we have two national parks, Murlen and Pawangpui Blue Mountain. And remember, Blue Mountain is the highest peak of Mizoram in Mizo Hills. So this national park is in Mizo Hills. In Tripura, we have two national parks, Clouded Leopard and Bison. See, Bison National Park is also known as Rajbari National Park. And in Meghalaya, we have two national parks, Nokrek and Balpakram. And these two national parks are located in Garo Hills. Remember, these two national parks are located in Garo Hills, not Khasi Hills. And in Assam, we have 5 famous national parks, Kaziranga, Manas, Nameri, Rajiv Gandhi, Orang, Dibru Saikova. And as we know, Kaziranga is famous for the famous one-horned rhinoceros, and the famous river which traverses through Kaziranga is nothing but Brahmaputra. And Manas is famous for pygmy hug, the smallest, we can say the smallest pig of India. So we'll be discussing about all these national parks in detailed fashion in the subsequent classes. For the time being, remember all these national parks with respect to states broadly. So these are national parks in Northeast India. Next, national parks in East India. See, of course, Sikkim is a part of Northeast India, and for the time being, we can even include Sikkim as a part of East India. The famous national park in Sikkim is Kanchenjunga. As we know, Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of India. Remember, the highest peak of India is K2, but geographically, K2 is a part of Pakistan occupied Kashmir. And remember, K2 peak is the highest peak of India, but it is not located in India. It's located in POK. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in Indian controlled territory. So on the whole, I can say the highest peak of India is K2. The second highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga. Okay. Next, in West Bengal we have 6 important national parks: Sundarbans, Buxa, Niora Valley, Singalila, Gorumara, Jaldapara. And as you know, Sundarbans is at the delta of Ganga River, Ganga and Brahmaputra River, in the countries of India and Bangladesh. In India, it is especially in the state of West Bengal. As you know, Sundarbans is famous for mangroves. Not just mangroves. See, Sundarbans is the largest delta in the world. Not just largest delta, it is the largest growing delta in the world, and it is home to largest mangroves in the world. And in Orissa, we have 2 famous national parks, Simlipal and Bhitarkanika. And Bhitarkanika is famous for saltwater crocodiles. In Jharkhand, we have Betla National Park. Remember, in Jharkhand, we have. And coming to central India, especially in the states of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, as we have already discussed, Madhya Pradesh has more national parks of India. They're nothing but Panna, Kanha, Sanjay. See, Sanjay National Park is in the borders of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. We have this national park in 2 states, Madhya Pradesh as well as Chhattisgarh. Satpura National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Indira Priyadarshini Pench National Park. Remember, Pench National Park is located in Maharashtra as well as Madhya Pradesh. It's in borders of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Fazil National Park, Dinosaur Fazils National Park, Madhav National Park, Vanvihar, Kuno Palpur. See, Kuno Palpur is regularly, it comes in news because the government of India earlier, it tried to transfer some lions from Gir National Park in Gujarat to Kuno Palpur Sanctuary, nothing but National Park in Madhya Pradesh. But it has not come onto the cards. We'll see what will happen in the future. Coming to Chhattisgarh, we have 3 famous national parks in Chhattisgarh: Indravati, Kangar Valley and Guru Ghansdas National Park. Recently, the government of Chhattisgarh has planned to convert this national park into a tiger reserve too. So we'll discuss about tiger reserves in a separate video. Coming to South India, in Tamil Nadu, we have Annamalai, Mudumalai, Gindi, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park and Mukurthi National Park. In Kerala, we have Periyar, Silent Valley, just we have discussed Silent Valley, Eravikulam, Mathiketan Shola, Anaimudi Shola, Pampadam Shola, Anaimudi. Anaimudi is famous for a peak. See, Anaimudi is the highest peak of peninsular India and highest peak of Western Ghats. Coming to Karnataka, we have Bandipur, Anshi, Nagarhole, Kudremukh, Bhanerghatta. See, Bandipur is the first tiger reserve of India, and Kudremukh is rich in iron reserves. They have iron reserves. And Bhanerghatta is in Bangalore. Coming to Telangana, KBR, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Mrugavani National Park. All these 3 national parks are located in Hyderabad. Coming to Andhra Pradesh, we have Papikondalu National Park in Godavari River Valley, Rajiv Gandhi National Park and Sri Venkateshwara National Park. For the time being, just remember all these national parks with respect to their states. We will be discussing all these national parks in detailed fashion in subsequent videos. Next, national parks in North India. See, in Jammu and Kashmir, we have 3 famous national parks: Dachigam, Kishtawar, and Salim Ali. And Dachigam National Park is famous for Kashmir stag. We also call it as Hangul, the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir. And as you know, Salim Ali is the famous ornithologist, and it is also known as city forest. And in Ladakh, we have Hemis National Park. So in the earlier video, in the earlier slide, we discussed that Hemis National Park is the largest national park of India area-wise, and it's famous for snow leopards. Coming to Himachal Pradesh, here we have 5 national parks: GHN, Great Himalayan National Park, Pin Valley, Indarkilla, Simbhalbara, Kirganga. Just remember these names. Coming to Uttarakhand, we have Jim Corbett, Rajaji, Nanda Devi, Gangotri, Valley of Flowers, Govind. So we have already discussed Jim Corbett because it's the first national park of India. And in Uttar Pradesh, we have Dudhwa. In Bihar, we have Valmiki. Dudhwa and Valmiki, these 2 national parks are located in the borders of India and Nepal, especially in Terai grasslands. Coming to national parks in West India, especially in Maharashtra, we have Tadoba, Pench, Sanjay Gandhi, Navaghav Najira, Gugamal, Chandoli. I said Pench is a common national park in Maharashtra as well as Madhya Pradesh. Goa, Mollem National Park. See, this Mollem National Park covers entire Western Ghats region of Goa. So we'll be discussing about all these things in detail in the subsequent classes I said earlier. Coming to Gujarat, we have Gir National Park, Velvadar, Vansda, Meren in Gulf of Kutch. And Gir National Park is famous for Asiatic lions. It is the only habitation of Asiatic lions. Velvadar National Park, it is famous for black bucks. You must have known black bucks. Salman Khan, has shooted a black buck. He was trialed for this case. He was arrested for several months. He was put behind the bars for shooting black buck. So we'll be discussing all these things in later. Coming to Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we have Ranthambore, Sariska, Mukandra, Keoladeo, Ghana Desert National Park. See, this Ghana National Park is famous for, it is the largest, I can say, ground for migratory birds. Keoladeo, Ghana is famous for migratory birds, especially Siberian cranes, pelican, flamingo. They migrate all the way from Central Asia, from Russia and Mongolia towards India, especially this particular national park. National parks in Andaman and Nicobar. In Andaman and Nicobar, as we have already discussed 3 national parks with the name Button: North Button Island National Park, Middle Button Island, South Button Island National Park. So we have already discussed South Button Island. I said South Button Island National Park is the smallest national park of India, which has the area of around 400 square meters. And apart from these 3 Button National Parks, we have other national park with the name Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, and Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea National Park, Mount Harriet, and Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman Nicobar, which is located in North Andaman. So, see, my intention is, I just want to make you aware that there are 104 national parks in India, in their respective states, in their respective regions. So, first make a note of all these national parks. Try to mug up, revise it 2 to 3 times. So obviously they'll get registered in your brain. And in the subsequent videos, I will be discussing all the national parks from state-wise in detailed fashion. Okay. Thank you very much. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you very much.